Common action verbs in English. Climb,
Climb,
whisper,
whisper,
pour,
pour,
weave,
wave,
yawn,
yawn,
point,
point,
kneel,
kneel,
hug,
hug,
crawl,
crawl,
push,
push,
pull,
pull,
chase,
chase,
carry,
carry,
throw,
throw,
catch,
catch,
jump,
jump,
kick,
kick,
clap,
clap,
dance,
dance,
drink,
drink,
walk,
walk,
run,
run,
sit,
sit,
stand,
stand,
open,
open,
close,
close,
write,
write,
read,
read,
eat,
eat,
sleep,
sleep,
wash,
wash,
brush,
brush,
comb,
comb,
smile,
smile,
cry,
cry,
laugh,
laugh,
listen,
listen,
look,
look,
paint,
paint,
dig.
dig.
For more videos, like, share and subscribe.